If you're trying to use YouTube to grow your business, I'm gonna show you 5 types of videos you can create right now with examples so you know exactly what you need to do. And number 4 is an absolute game changer. Let's get into the content. All right, so the first type of video you wanna create when it comes to using YouTube to grow your business is called a PR. Okay, so what does PR stand for? So PR is a product review. Now, what does a product review consist of? Basically, the first thing you wanna talk about is what is the main problem that the product solves? Because when somebody is searching for a product, they want to know, can this particular product help them do what they need to do? Okay, the next thing is, who is this product perfect for? And then on top of that, you also got to talk about the pros and the cons of this product, because now they can see, okay, you're going to give both sides. You're not just giving the pros because you want to make a commission. And this is all a part of the trust building process. Now, the next part of this is they want to know how much it costs, right? That's usually the elephant in the room. So once they hear all of these things that you've talked about, the main 4 things, which is the main problem, the pros and cons, the pricing, and who is this product for, now it makes it easier for them to make a decision. Now, if you want to increase the conversion even more, and you can do this whether you got your own product or you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to include what we call bonuses, okay? Because I've seen over the years, right? I've seen this many times, and I've done this over the few years. Sometimes I'll see a product, somebody's promoting a specific product, but then what happens is you see all of these bonuses that seem way better than the main product itself. And so since you want the bonuses, you end up purchasing just because of the bonuses. That's why I say it can definitely increase your conversion. So you definitely want to start adding bonuses onto any type of product reviews that you're doing. All right, so the next type of video is called a PC. PC is a product comparison video. Now these are very powerful, and sometimes they can be called versus videos. But with these, you're able to leverage 2 different audiences, right? So you got the people over here that know about product A, but they heard about product B over here, and they want to know, okay, how do these 2 right here compare? I'll give you a perfect example. So on this particular channel that I'm recording this video on, I did a video called like El Gato face cam, which is what I'm recording on right now, versus the Logitech Brio. And what I did in that video is I compare every feature, because they're the same products. So that way a person that's looking for this, they can see, okay, this is what this is what this is, okay, this is better, and so on, right? And that's very powerful, because the thing about that is that I own both of those products. So I could put an affiliate link down below in the description, and if somebody doesn't want product A, but they want product B, it doesn't matter, because I would still make money, and the same thing applies for you. So that's why I say versus videos are very powerful. All right, so the next type of video is called a PT, which is a product tutorial. Now the power with this is that you really pleasing 2 people. You pleasing a person that already owned the product, and then you also pleasing a person that's looking from the outside in. Now, why is it powerful to please the person that already owns the product? So you might think, okay, well, they already got the product, so they're not gonna buy it from me. But here's where you missed it. The thing about that is they start to build trust with you because you showed them, hey, this is something that I can do with the product. I didn't even know I could do that, right? So now they start following you. And this is what typically happens. You get people, they continue to follow you, and then all of a sudden you pull out another product and they see that and they're like, oh man, this is a cool product right here. And then now they get so interested in that, and then now they buy that product. So even though they didn't buy the initial product from you, they bought another product that just piqued their interest. All right. So that's the value and building trust with that particular person. Now on the other side, the person that's looking from the outside in, is pretty much the same thing. They see it, they're like, man, this product is valuable for me. Let me check out this product, and boom, you got yourself a customer. And typically a product tutorial is going to be a step-by-step showing the different assets that the company or the product has. So it'll be how to do this, fill in the product name, how to do this with fill in the product name, right? So it's just step-by-step tutorials showing them the different features and the different things that those particular products do. All right, so this next type of video is called a PI. This one is my absolute favorite. So with this one, what you're doing is you teaching a process, like the traditional process of something, and then what you do is you add in a tool that's gonna make that process better or faster. So I'll give you a perfect example. I created a video called Quora Affiliate Marketing, basically teaching people how they could do affiliate marketing on Quora. And I also went over with them the strategy I used to generate almost 80,000 content views over on Quora, right? So now now I'm giving them my process. And then what I did is I knew that I was using the AI content writer to make that process faster, right? So boom, I teach them the process. So at this point, they don't necessarily need the tool. They don't even know about the tool yet. But then I bring in the tool. I say, now, if you want to make this process faster, then you definitely want to pay attention at this point. So when you do something like that, people see the value. They're like, okay, well, I could do this traditional way, but then if I use this tool, it's gonna make the process better. So now they more like, man, I need to get this tool. And what I would tell you is that there was a lot of people that signed up for the tool after I created that particular video. So it's a very, very powerful strategy. All right, so this next type of video is mandatory. And if you don't do this type of video, you might as well say all the other videos that I just showed you how to do, they're gonna start to become a little bit worthless. Now, here's what I mean. So if you keep only doing tutorials, product reviews, and everything that's based around you making money, your audience gonna start to notice, like, man, that's the only time he does videos. That's the only time she does videos that's based around specific products. So what you wanna do to prevent having to do that, you wanna start putting out BBVC content. BBVC content stands for brand building value content. The sole purpose for this is to posture you up as the main authority that's in that niche that people need to listen to. So imagine every time they go search on a specific term that's based around the industry, they keep seeing your face pop up. And in their mind, they're like, man, I can't get rid of this person. This is definitely somebody that I should be listening to right now. So I'll give you a perfect example. I did a video called What is EPC? Okay, so EPC stands for earnings per click, and it's a digital marketing term. So if I go and I start attacking all of the different terms that's based around that niche, and every time they type that in, man, they go Rakeem again. Dang, they go Rakeem again, and so on and so on. When you start to get that, it's just like, man, this is the person I should be listening to, because everywhere I go, I see this person. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to get access to a video reference so we can teach you how to do each type of video that I just talked about, go ahead and click that first link down below in the description, and that's going to give you access to that video reference. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.